and welcome back to my channel. Now I'm really excited about today's video because it's gonna be a super fun video. Now the videos that I show you guys every week are stuffs that I've learned myself out of my own experience. I've not had any kind of training, so it makes me really happy when you guys try these stuffs out and share the feedback with me. I hope you continue loving and supporting me the way you do right now. And as for today's video, we'll be making this cute little octopus toy. So we'll be making this octopus soft toy from scratch and from scrap that I had gathered throughout the years. I had literally saved up each and every tiny piece of fabric that I didn't need anymore and I was supposed to throw away. So yeah, it's all inside this cute little octopus. And let's quickly start with the video now. To begin with, we first need to sketch out the pattern for the body. It's a really simple pattern. If you want it to be exactly the size that I made, mark out a 12-inch line and mark the midpoint at 6 inches as well. Now from the center point, mark a 3-inch at the top and 3-inch at the bottom, and with the help of these points, draw a football kind of a pattern and then cut it out. I am cutting it out in this manner so that I have both the sides equal. You then need to cut out this pattern from the fabric of your choice. I am using a purple linen material for my soft toy. We need 4 of these pieces so that when we join them together, it forms a sphere. Then you simply need to stitch the corners together. Note that you should not stitch it till the end. We need some space at the bottom to flip it over and to stuff the soft toy. Now for the feet, I am cutting a cylinder shape. This again depends on the length and the width that you want for your toy. I will quickly fold it on both the sides to make sure it is equal from all the corners. Then again, place it on your fabric and cut it out. But this time we need 16 pieces of this, 2 for each feet. For my octopus, I cut 8 pieces from this fabric and another 8 from a different color. You can get totally creative here. If you want to, make each of the feet a different color, or in case you get very lazy, just stuff 8 old socks of yours and you're good to go. I am stitching up the corners, but again leave out some space at the end to flip it over and to stuff the toy. The next is the fun part, the stuffing. Now that's all the scrap that I gathered over the years. I've got all the 8 feet here and I'll first flip them over and then stuff it. Once I'm done with all the stuffing, I will hand stitch the openings closed for all the 8 feet, and while I do that, I will be stitching the feet together from the sides to form a circle. So this is how it should look when done. One whole side is from one fabric and the other side is from a different fabric. I will quickly stuff up the body now. Once done, I will stitch this opening close. Once completed, we just need to stitch it to the feet. I am pinning them up first so that it is easier to stitch. I am using these black buttons for the eyes. I then added the eyes, the smile and a yellow specks around the eyes to make it look brighter, and with this the soft toy is complete.